Welcome back to ByteLegacy. Today, we're talking about the #1 mistake almost every new programmer makes. I'm talking about the mistake that slows learning, causes frustration, and makes people quit before they actually get good. But the good news is, once you understand this mistake, programming becomes 10 times easier. Let's jump in. So what's the mistake? Trying to learn everything at once. Most beginners jump from Python to HTML to JavaScript to C to AI tools to mobile apps. They follow random tutorials. They learn a little bit of everything, but master nothing. It feels like progress, but it's actually confusion.
And you know why this happens? Because programming looks huge from the outside. There are hundreds of languages, thousands of tools, and millions of tutorials. So beginners panic and think, if I don't learn everything, I'll fall behind. But here's the secret. The best programmers don't know everything. They just know one thing really well.
The mistake isn't switching topics. The mistake is switching too fast. You never stay long enough to fully understand one concept. You learn loops, but not how to use them in a project. You learn functions, but not why they matter. You learn HTML, but never build a real website. When you don't finish things, your brain can't connect the dots, and programming becomes harder than it actually is.
So how do you fix this? Pick one language. Pick one goal. Stick to it until you finish one real project. That's it. If you choose Python, finish a calculator, a small game, a web scraper, a simple automation script. If you choose JavaScript, build a landing page. Add interactivity. Try a mini web app. When you finish something, you gain confidence. And confidence is what builds real skills.
Programming becomes easy when you learn in layers. Here's how that looks. Learn basics, variables, loops, functions. Build small things, even if they're simple. Build one real project, something that feels useful. Then, only then, level up. Frameworks, libraries, databases. This is how you go from beginner to intermediate to advanced. Finishing even a tiny project teaches more than watching 10 hours of tutorials. Because when you build something, you face real errors, you debug, you apply concepts, you think like a programmer. And that moment when your code finally works, that's when you level up. Here's something nobody tells beginners. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need 5 hours a day. You just need 20 to 30 minutes daily. Small steps, small wins, small projects. That's how great programmers are made. So remember, the biggest mistake new programmers make is trying to learn everything at once. Focus on one language, build small projects, finish what you start, and you'll be ahead of 90% of beginners. Thanks for watching ByteLegacy. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.